Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss a very interesting topic from the chapter Nutrition in Plants, that is photosynthesis. So why this process take place in plants and how it is important for plants. So the main points to be discussed here are what is photosynthesis, conditions necessary for photosynthesis, mechanism of photosynthesis. Let's discuss all the points in details. First, we have what is photosynthesis. The photo means light and synthesis means to prepare, to produce or synthesize. That means it is the process through which the green plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and light. By this process, the light energy is converted into chemical energy. So that's why the plants are also called the producers, autotrophs, for this special mechanism. And next we have the conditions that are necessary for the photosynthesis are first we have the light energy. The sun starts the first reaction in photosynthesis as the light dependent process. This process can't work without an energy input. Second, we have water. Plant absorb the water from the ground through their roots. The water travels the stem of the plant to be used as a raw material during this process. Third, we have carbon dioxide. This gas is abundantly available in the atmosphere around the plants and diffuses into the leaf through the stomata. And last condition is chlorophyll, the green pigment present in chloroplast that makes the plant green, that is essential to the photosynthetic process. And last is the mechanism of photosynthesis. In this slide, how does the photosynthesis work in plants? Here you can see the plant absorb the water from the roots. In the presence of light and chlorophyll, the water splits into two parts, that is water and hydrogen. Oxygen released through the small pores in leaves called the stomata in atmosphere for the animal to breathe, and carbon dioxide is combined with the hydrogen produced in the first light dependent process to make carbohydrate, that is glucose. So the glucose is the main product and it is very important for starting material for all the other nutrients of a plant need. This process is continued throughout the daytime, and at night the process is stopped due to the absence of the sunlight. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it and subscribe our channel.